So, inflation. It's a bane very much of people's lives right now when it comes to the cost of living crisis, but something that is not particularly going to increase in the coming months as we start 2025 is the price of cars, or at least some used cars. But let's have a look at the full stats, the full picture here on the motoringchronicle.com, guys. Full article as always. The average price of a used car in December was £16,649, down 0.6% month on month versus November on a like-for-like basis, according to the latest data from Auto Trader, which assesses over 800,000 daily pricing observations from across the whole retail market. In 2023, prices decreased 2.3% from November to December, mainly due to a drop in trade valuations, which led to an impact on pricing, meaning prices were out of sync with what should be normally a strong market of this time of year. This year's price movements are more in line with seasonal norms, highlighting the more robust market dynamics in 2024. Additionally, while the year-on-year pricing was down 4.1% in December, that decrease is the smallest year-on-year drop seen through 2024, a positive trend as we enter 2025. This also marks the sixth consecutive month where year-on-year price drops have reduced. The peak was in June 24 with a 10% year-on-year price drop. The December figures show the average price of a used petrol car is down 3.2% year-on-year at £14,782. Diesels are down 4.1% to £14,087, and electric vehicles priced 10.6% lower at £26,139. The declines in prices of younger cars is mainly impacting the movement of prices overall, as there are pockets of strength for some cohorts of vehicles that have strong demand but shorter supply. In December, cars sold 3 days quicker than 2023, taking 33 days to leave forecourts, down from 36 the year prior, as robust demand tempers seasonal trends. December's speed of sale has also been longer in recent years, 36 days in 2022 and 34 in 21, marking 2024 as the quickest ever in this regard. This highlights that consumer demand is strong and pricing is driving the increased speed of sale, albeit at the expense of some margin of opportunity. EVs continue to be the fastest selling fuel type at 28 days, with 3 to 5 year old EVs selling within 24 days on average. Overall, we expect the used EV market to remain robust into 2025, with supply still growing strongly, but demand keeping pace in most vehicle age cohorts. Diesel were the next fastest fuel type at 32 days, driven by supply constraints, closely followed by petrol at just 1 day more with 33. While both the speed of sale and the volume of site visits to Auto Trader improved year on year, the market softened towards the back end of December. Younger vehicles have seen a big growth in demand. However, there has also been a very strong growth in supply, so there are pockets of opportunity there. More 1 to 3 year old cars are now being stocked by retailers as we come out of the pandemic, providing many with a good opportunity to get their hands on the latest vehicles compared to a year ago. In addition to this, Auto Trader's data also shows that there is lower demand for ICE vehicles, so that's basically petrol and diesel, but supply is heavily constrained in this age cohort, so there is an opportunity to make a strong profit for those that can source those vehicles. I believe hybrids are included with petrol and diesel depending on what type of engine it has on the ICE side, so if you're wondering why that's not in there, that is why. December saw both fast speed of sale and resilient volume of site visits to Auto Trader. As a result, the data shows a profit of opportunity of almost £30 million on underpriced stock that is highly sought after compared to an average of the market value. The 2025 outlook is also positive, as Auto Trader's forecasting, which was published last year, show the used car market is expected to maintain the strong growth and momentum of the last 2 years and rise to an estimated 7.61 million sales this year to around 7.7 million in 2025. And then there's a quote there from someone from Auto Trader. Like I said, full article on the motoringchronicle.com if you want to see more from that, guys. But I guess that's a good thing for consumers. I mean, everything goes up in price. Used car valuations have been extremely high for a long time. And it's kind of good that it's stagnating. That should help drive the growth, you would imagine. in that, or at least drive enough sales to maintain what is currently going on. So yeah, just some interesting insights into the market as we close out 24 and we begin 2025. A bright new future for us all, I hope. But yeah, for much more data analysis, market valuations, car news, anything in between, whatever you want to call it, it's all here on the motoringchronicle.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell as well. And we'll see you very soon, guys. Have a good one.